Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to find Uncle Nelson's stash. First, locate the specific journal he always carried. It's crucial. Inside, you'll discover a peculiar note with a distinct, hand-drawn compass rose. This isn't just any drawing, it's the first key to unlocking his secret. Pay close attention to its 8 points as they hold a hidden meaning. This initial clue is your starting point for a truly unique adventure. Once you have the note, your next step is to find the old family map. It's cleverly concealed behind a loose brick in the fireplace, a spot only Nelson would think of. The compass rose from the note directly indicates a specific area on this map. Look closely for a faint X marking the precise spot, usually near a very old, large oak tree. This X is not just a random mark, it's your next vital piece of information. With the X identified, head to the large oak tree. From its base, measure out exactly 15 paces in the direction indicated by the map's X. This precise measurement is critical for success. Once you've reached that spot, begin to dig down. The stash is buried approximately 3½ feet deep. You're looking for a small, durable metal box designed to protect its contents from the elements. After unearthing the metal box, handle it with care. Open it to reveal Uncle Nelson's hidden treasures, whatever they may be. Take a moment to appreciate your discovery and perhaps document it with some photos or a detailed log. Remember, the journey itself is often as rewarding as the destination. For more great reads and other deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your well-earned reward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.